Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude session. This is the first question. Int main register int k is equal to 0 and with a semicolon printf percentage %d ampersand of k. Predict the output of this code. These are all the following options. First option is compile time error. Second option is garbage value. Third option is 0. And fourth option is none of the above. You can pause this video. You can predict an output of this code. We will execute this code now. Suppose if I compile, you will get the compile time error. So reason is we cannot access the address of the register variable. I will repeat once again. We cannot access the address of the register variable. If you want to see the error logs, see this is the error. Address of register variable k requested. This kind of compile time error, you will get it. This is the second question. Int main extern int k end with a semicolon printf percentage %d followed by the k end with a semicolon. And here I have initialized outside the main. K is equal to 3 end with a semicolon. These are all the following options. First option is 0, second option is 3, and the third option is 1. The fourth option is compile time error. You can pause this video, you can predict an output of this code. This topic comes under storage class in C. Here I'm discussing about extern always having the global scope. Now, if I'm trying to compile and run this program, this code is absolutely work fine, no issue. But some of the point you have to remember is, this is what we call it as a declaration. I have not yet initialized the thing. And here, compiler will search here for the variable k defined and initialized somewhere else in the program. Somewhere in the program or not. Here I have initialized. So this code is work fine. Why? Because external having the global scope. So we can perform the initialization outside the main also. If you take the normal variable declaration, I can say declaration definition. But if you say external variable, this is declaration. And here I am performing the definition for this variable. This is the third question. External int a end with a semicolon. Int main a is initialized to 20. Printf percentage %d followed by the a end with a semicolon. These are the following options. First option is 0, second option is 20, and the third option is compile time error, and the fourth option is garbage value. You can predict the output of this code. You can pause this video, you can guess the output. Now we will compile this program, so you will get the compile time error. Here the points to be remembered is, we can initialize the external variable globally. You have to perform the initialization here. At least you should provide at least some value in the global scope. If I give a 0 here also, then if I run, so here again I'm performing the reinitialization. So 20 will be displayed on the screen. If you are not initialize any value here, so that it will generate the compile time error, so that you have to initialize the external variable globally. This is the fourth program. External int k is equal to 10 and int main printf percentage %d k and k is equal to 20 and with a semicolon. These are all the following options. First option is 10, second option is 20, third option is compile time error, fourth option is runtime error. You can guess the output of this code. Now we will execute this code so that you will get the compile time error. If you want to see the error logs, you can go and check redefinition of the k here. You already done the initialization. Again, we are providing here in the global scope only I'm talking about. So in this case, you will get the error. Or else, if you want, you can take this k, you can perform the initialization like here. See, this code is work fine. It will display the result of 20. But if you take this one, if you are trying to initialize outside the main, in this case, you will get the compile time error. This is the fifth question. Int main external int k is equal to 12. Printf percentage %d followed by the k. These are the following options. First option is 12. Second option is 0. Third option is compile time error. Fourth option is runtime error. So you can predict an output of this code. We will execute this code now. So if I compile, so you will get the compile time error. Why? Because this is the extern. So I have to take it to the outside here. Then if you want to compile and run, this would work fine. Or else you can perform some initialization here. If you want to display here like this also, I can do. See here, it is working fine. Suppose in the next one, I can say external int k. Here, if I take k is equal to 14, this code also work fine. So first you have to go and read the storage classes in C for the more knowledge. Hi, hi guys. Do follow me and Sukshmas for more questions, MCQ as well as the e-notes. If you are a beyond knowing participant, try to alter my code and create your own option, then post it as an MCQ and Sukshma's platform to get a very good quality bonus. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you all.